If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, do you have a craving for street style food but then concerned about your health? So why can't we make it at home in a healthier way? Watch the video till the end as I am sharing you how to make momos, a steamed filling dumpling. Ideally, the momos are prepared with all-purpose flour, also called as maida, which is really bad for health. So let us make momos with wheat flour. Take 1 cup of wheat flour. To it, add pinch of salt. Sprinkle with hand. And add 1 spoon of oil. Rub the flour well with your hand so that the salt and oil gets deeper and mixed well with the flour. Now add water step by step and make a smooth dough as shown here. If you really want to have the exact taste of momos, use maida or half cup of maida and half cup of wheat flour. Add 1 spoon of oil and knead it well. Now cover the dough with a wet cotton cloth to prevent it from becoming dry. Close the lid and rest it for half an hour. Meanwhile, let us make the stuffing or the filling we use inside the momo. All you need to do is chop cabbage very finely. Take a medium-sized carrot, peel the skin and grate it. Take a finger-sized ginger and grate it well. Green chilies. Make 2 slits and chop them very finely. You can also include garlic. Take about 10 cloves and finely chop or crush them. Now all the ingredients are ready to make the stuffing. Into a pan, add oil. Once the oil is heated up, add half spoon of cumin seeds, also called jeera. Add ginger. Saute for a while so that the flavors are released. Add chilies and salt. Add pinch of asafoetida or hing. Now in goes our veggies. Add rock salt as per taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. Mix well and allow it to cook for 2 minutes in low flame. The veggies are almost cooked. Make sure you don't overcook them. Turn off the flame and let it cool down. Momo stuffing is ready now. Now let us make the dumplings. Take little oil and grease your hands. Take lemon-sized dough ball and roll to flatten it. It should be thin as you see here. Now take a round shaped bowl or cutter and press so as to get round shape. Add the stuffing and bring it together. Now lift the dough layer and make petals like this. Gently twist and remove the excess dough. This is the actual shape of momo. If you feel it to be difficult, you can try this way. You can try any shape you wish to make. Let us look at few more shapes. Cut into 2 halves and make a cone shape. This is like the way how you make samosas. Now we are all set to steam these dumplings. You can use idli plate or flat plate. Grease oil to the plate and place these dumplings. Allow it to steam for 10 minutes. Hot and spicy momos are ready. Isn't this healthy? And of course, whatever we make at home is always healthy. Serve with red chutney or sauce and have it while it's hot. Do try it and post your comments below. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.